This is a bold statement, but this is the hairstyle of 2026. Not like this, don't worry. It's gonna look like that, but fades are on the way out. It's now more about the sophisticated natural flow, and I'm gonna show you today a step-by-step in how to achieve it. Now, I've been growing my hair for about a year now, and I had to get through that stage of hating my hair. It's so hard to get through. I've wanted to grow my hair so many times and then just gone and got it cut. You can still go to your barbers and get it trimmed up, but no more razors, just the scissors. My hair's got a bit dry, so I'm just gonna wet it up a bit to start. This may sound stupid, but I'm gonna towel dry it just so it's not too damp. And then, first product we're gonna go in with is a sea salt spray. Really good just to give your hair a bit of texture, a bit of hold. I'm using this one from Got To Be Beach Matte. All in. Ooh. And then massage it in to the hair. Then we're gonna go in with our first comb. So it's just a very, I don't know how to describe this without sounding like an idiot, but the gaps between each comb piece are small, just so we can brush it all the way back as if we're in the next film of Grease Lightning. We're now gonna go in with the hairdryer, which you're not gonna be able to hear me talk, so I'm gonna speed through this bit, but we're starting with warm air. And then what I'm gonna also use is, I'm gonna use another comb that has slightly wider gaps in between the comb heads. So it gives your hair a bit more texture rather than so tight knit together. I forgot to say as well, what we wanna do is, we wanna get where you want the parting and just go from that point. So for me, my parting is like there. So I'm gonna push that part back, and then the right-hand side, we're gonna go to the right. It's basically like training your hair as to like, this is where I want you to stay. So go there and try and stay, even though sometimes that doesn't work. Next, we're going in with our styling product. I have found that with longer hair, trying to achieve this look, a pomade is the best product for it. Just looks like that. This one is from American Crew. We're gonna put it into our hands and just warm it up, activate the product, and then just go through the hair. Okay, so finally our third brush. I mean, you don't have to go and buy a whole comb set, but I will link these ones down below. They're just from Amazon and they come in a whole pack. But we wanna go in now with our widest toothed comb. You can go in with a second one if you don't want to have like 17 combs, but this one is the widest one. And now I'm just going to go back and brush it back into that kind of place of where the parting is, going one way and then the other side the other way. I find sometimes when you've styled your hair, it looks very much into place. So if you are going for a slick look, you can then hairspray it and you're done. I like a bit more of a natural flow, natural layers. So what I do is I get the hairdryer again, I go onto the coldest temperature, which helps the hair set in place. And then all I do is just run my fingers through it just to add a bit more kind of texture and natural layers to it. There's two squirrels over on our outbuilding having a fight. I don't know if you can hear them, but all I can hear is anyway. I find the more you play with it, the more you hate it. Leave it, spray it, let it settle into place and the hair kind of gain its volume from all the products. And then I find then just a little touch up and your hair, in my opinion, I feel like I prefer it much more in 10 to 15 minutes than I do at that point of doing it. So I'm just gonna spray a bit of hairspray in to set it. And then we will be back in 10 to 15 minutes and hopefully I'll be happy with it. I hope. Bet that didn't even feel like 15 minutes to you. Now I'm going to show you the finished result. I will be honest, I've not actually looked at the back, so if it doesn't look nice, be kind. And by the way, my hair is not, I'm not sitting here saying this is the perfect style of it, because I still actually need to grow my hair longer so it doesn't disconnect so much here. It needs more of a flow. But this was, for me, a recent change. I just styled my hair like this and I've had so many compliments. And it is going to be the new style of 2026. So I wanted to show you an easy tutorial from someone that is completely new to this style themselves. But if you have any questions, pop them down in the comments box. I've listed all the products I've personally used in the description box and let me know what you think.